going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This video is going to be a short one actually, because I'm going to show you how to install your LED reverse lights. I'm going to use my Vauxhall Astra SXI. And quick note, actually, I want to say thank you so much for 200 subscribers. I really appreciate the support. Like, honestly, it means so much to me. Might not seem a lot to others, but for me, like, that's a lot, and I really appreciate it. So also I want to mention, got a new interesting mod coming soon. I've listed a few mods on my Instagram, but it's not what I listed. Make a video on it definitely. If you want to keep up to date with my car stuff, car mods, my personal life, you can follow me on Instagram. I'll just put the text right here and you'll see what my @ is. So hit me up on Instagram. Quick update, lads. Previously in my YouTube channel, I made a video about installing parking sensors to your car. So what I did was, you know how you have that LCD screen? Make sure you check the video out if you haven't already. Let's put my phone on silent. Anyway, back to the video. So I moved my parking sensor little LCD screen. Previously, it used to be here. Now I moved it here. Yeah, it looks good. So it's all tidy and neat. Now let's begin. These are the LED light that I bought from eBay. I got it for £2. I'll put the link in the description down below. So the first step is, you want to take your tailgate light out, but you want to unplug the cable. Then you have these two little bolts, one here, one up here, and you unscrew this. There, both of the bolts out. Now you're ready to take this out. Once you've unplugged the two bolts and the cable, you remove the headlight. So it's really hard to do it with one hand, but I'll give it a shot. We have the headlight out. You need to unscrew 3 screws. So I'll show you how to do that. Around this piece you'll have clips, so you just want to unclip it. And there we go. Gently remove it. And here you have it. So originally it was like this. The reverse one, in this light, I believe it is this one. So we want to replace this one. You take the bulb out. This is the bulb. And now we have the LED one in the packet. And you just want to plug this in the same way and turn it clockwise. Okay. Now we've plugged the LED light in here. Now we want to place it back carefully with the tailgate light actually. Get the tailgate light and then just carefully press it on. And you want to make sure all is clipped. Now what we're going to do is before we screw it, we want to test it out first. So right now it's held in place by the clips, and we're going to plug in the cables and see what it looks like. This is the old reverse light, so it's like, it has a yellowish tint, so it's like yellowish. This is the new one. Cool white. Would you look at that? You finally changed it to LED reverse lights, so it's much better than the tacky yellow. Guys, we did it, and I hope you benefited from this video. I hope it's easier for you to replace your LED reverse light. But it's not over yet. Before I end this video, I'm going to do a night test. Oh yeah, I also want to say, before anyone mentions this, like, I'll show you how my interior light, the rear interior light is standard, it's stock, so it's like that yellowish stock color. So the reason being is I tried my best to change it to LED white lights, blue lights, but the fuse seems to keep on blowing. I don't know why. There's something that triggers the fuse. So I guess my car do not like LEDs, but in the back. However, at the front, I managed to change it to LEDs with no problem. So it's like pure white LEDs. I used to have blue, but then I've changed it to white. That's me done, guys. I know this is a short video, but trust me, I'll be back with bigger mods. Hope you liked today's video. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe if you're new. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to stay up to date with my content. Peace out.